Now, do you know the difference in symptoms between the common cold and the flu? And we have details of that in this evening's health report.
The common cold and flu are both respiratory illnesses. They are caused by different viruses. However, the symptoms for both are quite similar. Immunologist Dr. Johan White explains the difference.
So persons confuse the common cold with the flu because both of them can result in a cough. Both of them can have a runny nose as a symptom, but usually with the flu, you usually feel ill. There's loss of appetite, joint pain, muscle pains, headache, whereas with the common cold, you usually do not have those symptoms unless there's something else happening.
And Dr. White says this is important in order to make the right diagnosis for proper treatment to be administered. The immunologist says the outcome for the flu is usually more severe than the common cold.
Influenza can actually kill. It can cause a deep infection of the lungs, resulting in a pneumonia. It can affect vital organs, kidneys, the brain, and lead to death. Whereas the common cold, you're more likely to recover. You probably just have a runny nose, and you don't stay ill for a very long time. And the risk of death from the common cold compared to the flu is, virtually unlikely.
Dr. White is encouraging persons, especially the young, the elderly, those who have chronic non-communicable diseases and pregnant women to get the flu vaccine.
There are instances where somebody can get the flu vaccine but still get the flu. That does happen. However, if you've been vaccinated and you still get the flu, it's usually a milder form of the flu. You usually have less severe symptoms. You're less likely to require hospitalization. If you've been vaccinated and still get the flu, you're less likely to die.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.